Have you ever sat down to work only to find yourself scrolling through social media 30 minutes later? You promised yourself you'd stay focused, but distractions seem to pull you in every direction. The truth is, focus isn't just about what you do, it's also about what you stop doing. If you want laser sharp concentration, it's time to cut out these 10 bad habits that are silently destroying your focus. Have you ever sat down to work only to find yourself scrolling through social media 30 minutes later? You promised yourself you'd stay focused, but distractions seem to pull you in every direction. The truth is, focus isn't just about what you do, it's also about what you stop doing. If you want laser sharp concentration, it's time to cut out these 10 bad habits that are silently destroying your focus. Stop multitasking. Multitasking may seem like a productivity hack, but in reality, it's a focus killer. When you switch between tasks, your brain needs time to adjust, which reduces efficiency. Research shows that multitasking can lower productivity by up to 40%. Instead, focus on one task at a time. Try the Pomodoro technique, work on a single task for 25 to 50 minutes, then take a short break. Stop checking your phone constantly. The biggest distraction in today's world is right in your pocket. Notifications, messages, and social media updates can pull you away from deep work. Studies suggest that even a 10-second glance at your phone can disrupt your concentration for several minutes. To stay focused, keep your phone on silent mode, use Do Not Disturb, or place it in another room while working. Stop working in a cluttered environment. A messy workspace can overload your brain and make it harder to focus. When your surroundings are disorganized, your mind feels cluttered too. Clear your desk before starting work and keep only the essentials in front of you. A minimalist environment leads to a minimalist mind, making it easier to concentrate. Stop ignoring your energy levels. Not all hours of the day are equal when it comes to focus. If you push yourself to work when you're exhausted, your brain won't function at its best. Instead, identify your peak productivity hours, the times when you feel most energetic and alert, and schedule your most important tasks during those periods. Stop skipping breaks. It might sound counterintuitive, but working non-stop reduces focus rather than improving it. Your brain needs time to recharge. Instead of pushing through for hours, take 5 to 10-minute breaks every 50 minutes. Go for a walk, stretch, or do breathing exercises to refresh your mind. Stop consuming too much caffeine. A cup of coffee can help you stay alert, but too much caffeine can lead to jitters, anxiety, and energy crashes, which harm focus. Instead of relying on caffeine, drink plenty of water, eat brain-boosting foods like nuts and berries, and get enough sleep to naturally improve your concentration. Stop saying yes to everything. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you're saying no to something that truly matters. Overcommitting leads to mental overload, which makes it harder to focus on your top priorities. Learn to set boundaries and say no to tasks that don't align with your goals. Stop allowing negative thoughts to distract you. Self-doubt, fear, and overthinking can consume your mental energy and destroy focus. When negative thoughts arise, acknowledge them but don't dwell on them. Practice mindfulness, deep breathing, or journaling to clear your mind and stay present in the moment. Stop working without a clear plan. If you start your day without a plan, you'll waste time figuring out what to do next. Instead, create a to-do list the night before or use the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize tasks. Having a clear plan eliminates decision fatigue and helps you stay on track. Stop neglecting sleep. Lack of sleep is one of the biggest reasons for poor concentration. When you don't get enough rest, your brain struggles to process information and maintain focus. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to keep your mind sharp and productive.